Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add article to your Google Scholar profile using your phone. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Type googlescholar.com in the address bar and tap Go to open Google Scholar. Once you are on your Google Scholar, please tap the three horizontal lines at the top left. After that, tap on My Profile. Once you are on your profile, tap the plus button or add option. Now you will see option add articles group or add article manual. Tap add article manual. Enter the article details yourself like title, author's journal and year. After selecting and entering the details, tap save to add the article to your profile, and that's it. You have just added an article to your Google Scholar profile using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.